Okay, today we're looking at this IBM Thinkpad. It's a T40, T41. It's a refurbished laptop and we'll just go through the features that it has. Now, just looking at the keyboard, just playing with the keys. Those keys look good because they don't feel as though they're worn out and they've done a lot of work. So now just looking at the screen, it's a 14.1 inch TFT active screen, and I'll show you a little bit more about that later. Down here you've got your wireless indicator, your battery indicator, standby, power, all along the front there. Just to the left of it, here you have your on-off button, your power button. Move down to the right here, you've got your left and right cursor keys. They can actually be used when you're in your browser. You can use them as your back and forwards key in, say, Internet Explorer. This is a unique item to a ThinkPad. It's called the track point stick, and you can use it for moving your mouse across the screen, left, right, up and down. Then when you go to further down, you've got the touchpad here, you've got the left and right buttons just like with the mouse, and you've also repeat them down here, left and right. Further, you can see here on the space bar, you've got a magnifying glass there, and also on the left you've got the function key. By pushing function space bar, that allows you to magnify whatever's on the screen. When we move further up, we've got the Access IBM. Now if you press that, that actually allows you to go into the setup for the computer. It also gives you software tools and utility tools. It also gives you access to websites of IBM. And just to the right of that, you've got your volume up and down for the sound that comes out of the computer. You've also got your mute button just to the right. Just moving the computer around to the left hand side, let's just have a look what's there. Here we've got the security hole that you can use to secure the laptop with a security cable and a lock that fits in through there. Here we've got two USB points for things like a printer or digital camera. Next to that we have a video out connector, and that's where you can connect the television to. Next to that we have a modem connector where you can put a telephone line in. Next to that you have an Ethernet connector. Next to that you have the headphones and the microphone, so you can listen to, say, DVDs through headphones. You can also input sound in through this point through a microphone. Next to that we just have the fan louvers just to keep the system cool. And next to that we have the PC card slot, and this you can insert numerous PC cards such as a modem, data storage, and they support PC card type 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so moving from there, if we turn the computer around, we'll see up the top here, and also around on the side here are the wireless LAN antennas to make your wireless reception a lot stronger. Now just moving along, down here you've got your hard drive. To the right of that we've got the CD-ROM DVD player, and a little bit further on we have an output where you can connect an external monitor to it. Okay, now if we turn the computer over and just have a look underneath it, towards the back here we have the battery. Next to it here we have the docking connector where you can connect the laptop to a docking station to extend the capabilities of the computer. This is the memory upgrade slot, so you can add RAM if need be, depending upon what you're running. Okay, so now if we just draw back, go down the front here, just here we have the infrared port for connecting to things like PDAs, mobile computers. Next to it here we have the speakers. As we just move over here We've got the labels for identification, the IBM details. Down here is the Windows certificate of authenticity, just there. Turn it over to the back. There are a couple of points. There is only a couple of points to note here, which is a parallel connector and also a point for connecting the AC power. Okay, so here we just put on a DVD onto the laptop, and it's about penguins, so it's all pretty dark, but it's just to show that it is a nice screen. This is just the desktop, and it's running Windows XP.